Okay, let's get some gravel. We're gonna go around the other side and dump it on that dimple board. The other thing I find with JCB is when you go into a pile, it has great power, but when you have material, so you go in and you get material and you curl it, you want to curl it to snap it so the material isn't dribbling out as you're driving. This doesn't have the speed to snap it. Now, I don't know if it's a thing that can be adjusted, but I have to like kind of shake it downwards and then curl it back. Now my Kubota, oh, just snaps all the dirt, gravel back, no problem. This doesn't have the speed. Bizarre. Again, those who make it, not using it. But that four-wheel steer is amazing. It's awesome. We don't want to pinch this fella against the house. Not getting a whole lot of instruction there. There we go. Got the instructions. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to dump this gravel off, come back and deal with that dirt pile, because that's all gonna be a gravel pad over there. Might have to take the excavator over. I don't know. Let's see. Now I'll do it with this.